This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. One of the biggest white-collar criminal cases of all time was the Bernie Madoff case, and he had his own financial advising firm based in New York City, and it turns out that he committed an extraordinary loss. I think his potential losses were $6 to $6.5 million what I heard. And what he's accused of doing is a Ponzi scheme. And this is about the 100th anniversary of a Ponzi scheme. So the story is about 1920. Ponzi is an Italian immigrant, comes to the United States, cooks up some investment deal, goes to some of his friends, and they all put some money in. And Ponzi says, well, you know, this is pretty easy to get money. I just have to tell people I'm going to make a lot of money and I can get money for myself. So what Ponzi does is he then goes to other people and he says, hey, I did really good for those people. And he collects more money from the new investors. He takes the money from the new investors, gives some of it to the first investors and said, oh, look at how much money we're making already. Don't you want to buy more shares of stock? Don't you want to let your money ride? And so Ponzi was able to keep all the balls in the air for a while. But what happened to Bernie Madoff and happens in a lot of these schemes is the following. The stock market crashed. And so Bernie Madoff couldn't keep rolling the money. Nobody wanted to go into the stock market. Nobody wanted to give him new money to play with because they were all trying to regroup their finances and stuff like that. So Madoff ended up not being able to keep bringing in new money to give to his existing investors. As the market cratered 08, 09, came to him and said, hey, we need our money back. We've got problems. We've got to cover our shorts and so forth. And of course, he wasn't able to do that. So he collapsed very quickly. And he accepted a 150-year prison sentence in there's a lot of people call Club Fed in Florida. It's a very nice place. It's like staying at a country club, except with a fence around it.